We will adjourn this meeting until Monday. We need to expedite this order because they need it by tomorrow. I'm trying to talk my boss into buying us new laptops. Adjourn, expedite, talk someone into something. These are just some advanced words that we are going to look at today as we look at advanced business English vocabulary. This lesson is perfect for you if you would like to level up your business vocabulary or if you are getting ready to do an English exam like IELTS or TOEFL and would like to learn some advanced ways to talk about business. There's also a quiz at the end of this video. You can write your answers in the comments of this video and practice everything you've learned today with the quiz. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Our first word is adjourn. This is to rest or pause during a meeting or a legal trial. An example is the sentence from the beginning of this video. We will adjourn this meeting until Monday. If we use the word adjourn in a legal sense, we can say the meeting adjourned for lunch. Our next word is allocate. This means to distribute resources like time and money for a particular purpose or a particular use. Example, the government allocates money to the unemployed citizens every year. Or you need to allocate more time to learning English. Our third word is collaborate. Collaborate. This is a lovely word which means to work with someone else for a specific purpose. If I collaborate with another teacher to teach you something, then I will work with another teacher to teach you something specific. We will work together to reach a specific goal. Another example is we decided to collaborate with ABC Company for the new project. Implement. This word is a little less complicated and it means to start using a plan or system. Example, we will implement a new security feature next week. Our next word is perfect to talk about things that are not optional. This word is mandatory. Something that is mandatory must be done or it is demanded by the law. It is a requirement, it's not an option. Example, it is mandatory to have insurance if you work at ABC Company. Next, we're looking at the phrase show of hands. This is a vote in which people physically raise one of their hands to show that they support a suggestion. Example, he asked for a show of hands to see if they would like to re-elect him to the committee. Our seventh word is backlog. This refers to a large number of things that you have to do or deal with that have now increased over a period of time. Example, a backlog of orders. Or we can say that she has a 1-month backlog of work because she was sick. Next, we have a word that is often used when talking about technology. This word is prototype. A prototype is the first example of something, such as a machine or another type of industrial product. And later, the other forms of the product are developed based on the prototype. Example, a prototype of a new car. You can also get prototypes of appliances, cell phones, and so on. Next is quality control. And this is pretty self-explanatory. Controlling the quality of something. Quality control is the process of looking at goods when they are being produced to make sure that all the goods are of the same required standard or the same required quality. Next, I'm looking at the one definition of the word inventory. Notice my pronunciation? Inventory. This is the amount of goods a shop has or the value of them. Example, I'll have to check our inventory of cars to see if we have one within your budget. Our 11th word is proactive. Proactive means taking action to make changes yourself rather than reacting to things when they happen or waiting for someone else to make changes. Example, we need proactive employees to work on the new project. So this refers to employees that are willing to make changes rather than waiting for someone else to make changes for them. Number 12 is expedite. To expedite means to make something happen very quickly. The example at the beginning of this video was, we need to expedite this order because they need it by tomorrow. This sentence means that we need to do the order quickly because they need it by tomorrow. Number 13 is micromanage. Now, I'm sure everyone knows someone who loves to micromanage situations. It means to control every part of a situation, from the large details to the small details. An example is a CEO who thinks it is necessary to micromanage everything that happens at the office. Number 14 is best practice. This is a working method or set of methods that is officially accepted as being the best to use in a particular business or industry. It's usually described in detail and it is quite formal too. Example, we are going to review our best practice policies, or our best practices have led to our rapid growth and success. Our final one for the lesson today is to talk someone into something. And this is to convince someone to do something. It can be used in business or personal conversations. Our example from the beginning of this video was, I'm trying to talk my boss into buying us new laptops. And that's it. In our lesson today, we looked at popular business English words that can be used to level up your English. If you learned at least one new word, then please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber. You can practice everything you've learned with the quiz at the end of this video. Write your answers in the comments and I'll let you know if you are right or wrong. Thank you for your time today, and this is Ashley with Level Up English signing out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.